Okay, and another grounding meditation is a standing meditation called Jang Jong, and basically this is a technique that helps you not only ground, but it helps your alignment. It helps reduce muscle tension. It helps you almost like your body to fall into its own alignment. And this is something that you can read a little bit more. You can see the spelling here. So this is something that you can look up and you can see maybe more. There's a lot of visual aids online that may show you how the body's actually positioned. But what I've done is actually included an audio track for you to help you try this technique. And this is a great technique if you do have back problems, support, like alignment problems, or where you feel as if your body's not really fully supporting you, even if you have like nerve damage and things like that. It tends to take the pressure off the muscles and the structure of the body, and it reteaches the body how to let go of muscle tension and kind of correct the posture. Okay, so that is another grounding technique that you can actually introduce into your day.